Most guys have no idea that they are ruining their looks every single day with small habits. They think being ugly is just genetics or bad luck, but the truth is many of the things that make you unattractive are in your control. If you are watching this video until the end, I will show you 12 habits that slowly make you uglier without you even noticing, and how you can fix them starting today. Let's get straight into it. Step 1. Poor sleep. If you are not sleeping properly, your face shows it. Dark circles, dull skin, eye bags, all of these make you look older and more tired than you actually are. Sleep is when your body repairs itself, and if you cut that short, your face cannot glow. Fix this by creating a simple routine. Go to bed at the same time, wake up at the same time, and put your phone away at least 30 minutes before sleeping. If you just improve your sleep, your face will naturally look fresher within a week. Step 2. Bad posture. Most guys do not realize that posture alone changes how attractive they look. If you're always hunched over your phone, or walking with rounded shoulders, you instantly look shorter, less confident, and weaker. Straight posture with shoulders back, chest slightly out, and head up makes you look taller, stronger, and more masculine. Train yourself to check your posture throughout the day. Stretch your chest, strengthen your back muscles, and keep your phone at eye level instead of looking down all the time. You will be shocked how much more attractive you look just by fixing this. Step 3. Bad skin care. A lot of guys wash their face with just water, or worse, they use body soap on their face. This destroys your skin barrier and makes you look dull or greasy. Breakouts, acne, and dryness are not just unlucky, they come from not taking care. Your skin is the first thing people notice when they see you, so keep it simple. Wash your face twice a day with a gentle cleanser, use a moisturizer that fits your skin type, and wear sunscreen during the day. Healthy skin instantly makes you look 10 times better and cleaner. Step 4. Bad eating habits. You really are what you eat. Too much junk food, sugar, and processed snacks cause breakouts, oily skin, bloating, and even faster aging. On the other hand, if you eat clean, whole foods, drink enough water, and add fruits and vegetables, you will look naturally sharper. Your eyes become brighter, your skin looks more alive, and your jawline even shows more. The fix is not complicated. Stop eating trash every single day, start cooking real food at home, and drink at least 2 liters of water. Within a month, your face will change. Step 5. Lack of grooming. This is one of the biggest reasons why guys look unattractive without realizing. If your beard is patchy or messy, if your nails are dirty, if your hair is greasy or out of shape, people will notice. Grooming is not about being perfect. It is about showing that you take care of yourself. Trim your beard or shave clean, cut your nails, keep your eyebrows in shape, wash your hair, and style it in a way that frames your face. This shows discipline and instantly boosts your attractiveness. Step 6. Bad dental hygiene. Nothing kills attraction faster than yellow teeth, bad breath, or poor oral care. People will not tell you, but they notice immediately. Brush your teeth twice a day, floss daily, and use mouthwash. If you can afford it, get your teeth cleaned by a dentist every 6 months. White, clean teeth make you look healthier, richer, and more confident. Do not underestimate how much your smile changes your entire face. Step 7. Too much screen time. Spending hours in front of screens not only damages your eyes, but also your face and posture. Blue light messes up your sleep, dark circles show up, and your skin gets dull. On top of that, constantly scrolling and compare yourself to others kills your confidence. Set limits on your screen time. Take breaks, look outside, get sunlight, go for a walk. Reducing screen time will make your eyes brighter, your sleep better, and your presence stronger. Step 8. No exercise. If you avoid working out, your body becomes weaker, softer, and your energy lower. Exercise does not just give you muscles, it sharpens your face, improves blood circulation, and makes your skin glow. When you move your body regularly, your testosterone increases, your posture improves, and your confidence skyrockets. The fix is simple. At least 30 minutes of exercise daily. Push-ups, pull-ups, squats, running, or hitting the gym. Even walking more will start shaping your body and face in weeks. Step 9. Too much stress. Stress literally shows on your face. Learn how to control stress. Meditation, journaling, prayer, or even a simple breathing exercise can reset your mind. Spend time in nature or hit the gym to release that stress. Once you manage stress, your face looks more relaxed, confident, and attractive. Step 10. Ignoring fashion. You can have the best face, but if your style is trash, people will not respect your looks. Wearing oversized, wrinkled, or dirty clothes makes you look sloppy. Fashion is not about being rich or buying brands. It is about fitting clothes that match your body and make you look clean. Learn what colors suit you, get simple fitted clothes, and wear clean shoes. The way you dress is the way you are judged, so do not ignore this. Step 11. Overdoing bad habits. Smoking, vaping, drinking, and other addictions not only destroy your health, but also your looks. Smoking causes wrinkles, yellow teeth, bad breath, and weak skin. Drinking makes your face bloated, red, and aged. Even too much caffeine dehydrates you. If you want to glow, you need to cut down these habits. Replace them with water, exercise, and self-discipline. Your body will thank you, and people will notice. Step 12. Low confidence energy. This one is the silent killer. Even if you fix all the physical things, if you walk around with zero confidence and low energy, people see you as less attractive. Confidence is not about arrogance, it is about presence. Walk with purpose, speak clearly, and look people in the eye. Do not fidget, do not apologize for existing. Build your confidence through discipline by keeping promises to yourself. When your energy is strong, people automatically find you better looking. So those are the 12 habits that slowly make you uglier. Most guys do not even realize they are guilty of at least half of them. The good news is every single one of them can be fixed starting today. Fix your sleep, fix your posture, take care of your skin, eat cleaner, groom, properly brush your teeth, limit screen time, work out, manage stress, well, cut out bad habits and build real confidence. Do this consistently, and I promise within a month, people will literally ask you what changed. Remember, attractiveness is not luck, it is discipline. Every habit either makes you glow up or makes you uglier. Which side you choose is up to you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to watch the next one because it will show you how to glow up even faster in just 30 days.